Hey buddies, Jerome's here.
For today's video, we are going to do a tutorial on how to submit unused official receipt inventory report via online using BIR, TRRA, or via direct email. First, you need to go to BIR website. We will be putting the link on the description box. Next, click the box at the center and look for Go to Homepage. Once redirected, scroll down and click e-services. Next, click Other e-services and look for TRRA and click it. For step 1, click letter H and download number 1. This is the form that you need to download. Once you downloaded the document, you can edit it or print it out and fill out the form and scan it. Make sure to save the file as PDF and should be less than 4 MB. For step 2, click Submission of Inventory Report and Notice. And for the step 3, input your name and select your RDO. Once you selected your RDO, it will show here their email address. Remember the correct subject. After that, click Email Application and you will be redirected to your email address. Just input here the details. Email should be the same like this. You can also email them directly without using TRRA. Here's the list of different RDO's email address. By the way, here are some important reminders when submitting the form. After a few days, you should receive an acknowledgement from your RDO just like this. Then you can now stamp your remaining official receipts. If you haven't received any response, you need to drop by to your RDO office.
So that's it for today. See you in our next tutorial, buddies.